What is electric circuit? What is electric circuit? 2 minutes left. Type appropriate answer. Use the word very nicely. Don't use, because we are having only 150 words, so don't use any illogical words in science, especially in physics. What is an electric circuit? Question is, what is an electric circuit? Make this answer in 150 words very clearly. Last 25 seconds. 8 answers I have got till now. So let's see the answers. Okay, 11 answers I have got in total. The correct answer is closed and continuous path of electric current is known as circuit. Okay. Closed loop through which electric current can flow. Very good. Electric current includes a device that gives energy to the charged particles constituting the current, such as battery, generator. This is copy paste thing. Yesterday only I have told, no copy paste. Electric circuit are closed loop which forms a network of electrical components. Good. A correct type of circuit that can help to flow electricity. Good. Which gives us electric. What electric? Electric circuit path for transmitting electric current. Good. An electric circuit includes device that gives us energy. This is also copy paste. Electric circuit is the main source from which every electronic works. This can be considered. And Manya Jain has written in answer her own name, Manya Jain 280, so this will be wrong. Electric circuit path for transmitting electric current, and electric circuit includes a device that gives energy. Good. It is electric. Wow. Electric circuit is electric. So let's see the leaderboard. This time Pratik, Tirth, Manya are on first, rest on second. So let's move to the next. Again I am telling, copy paste answers I will not check. So moving to the next question, an alloy used to make filaments of a bulb. What is that alloy that is used to make filaments of a bulb? So name the alloy. The alloy that is used to make filaments of a bulb. 80 seconds left. 8080. 8 answers I have got. Last 30 seconds. Sixteen answers I have got out of 23. So let's see. The correct answer is tungsten. So many have given the 7 have given the correct answer. Yes. Tongue spellings of tongue is wrong. That is this tongue, not this. Okay. We have written wrong spelling of tongue. So let's see the result. This time again, Pratik and Manya first, Nimisha, Tirth, Anant, Manya 280 and Som on second, Arham Chesta on third. So let's move to the next. Repulsion is the sure test of dash. Repulsion is the sure test of dash. What will be the answer? Repulsion is the sure test of dash. Eighty seconds left. Ten answers I have got. Repulsion is the sure test of dash. Last 25 seconds. Someone has written salt also. So repulsion is the sure test of magnetism. 7 have given the correct answer. Correct. So how can we test the salt with magnet? Can anyone explain? Someone has given wrong spelling of magnetism also, magnetism. So that cannot be considered as correct. So let's see the result. While typing, make sure you are using the correct spelling. So this time again Pratik Manya first, Nimisha Tirth Manya Sonu second, Arham Anand Divya Adi third. Let's move to the next. Write any two properties of magnet. Write any two properties of magnet. Last 20 seconds. So I've got 16 answers again. Two properties of magnet: attract objects made up of iron, nickel, cobalt. Freely suspended magnet always direct north south. So let's see other answers. North pole and south poles. These are not two properties. These are two poles. Magnet always has two poles, north pole, south pole. Like magnetic repel, unlike attract. Okay, this can be correct. Freely suspended magnet always tends in north and south direction. Similar poles repel, not repel, repel. I am making this time correct. Next time I will not correct it. Magnet always has two poles, north pole, south pole. Like magnetic poles repel, unlike attract. Correct. Magnetic force, people to magnetic force at each other. What that does mean? Bar magnet, circle magnet. Attraction and repulsion, these are only one property, not two. Attractive property, directive property. What is this directive property? Magnet has two pole, like pole, repel. Yes, this can be considered. Two poles, north pole, south pole. Magnets are two unlike magnets. Magnet always has two pole, like magnet repel each other, and unlike, this is copy paste. Magnet always has two poles, like magnetic pole repel. Yes, this can be correct. Attract and disattract. Where you have heard this word disattract? Magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole. That's it. I will correct it only with the two properties, not one. So let's see. This time Manya on top, Pratik on second. So Manya has won the game. But I have more questions for you. A bar magnet emerged. I think once again you should see the points table. After that we will come here. Manya first, Pratik second, Pratik and Manya 280 second. Then Nimisha, Arham, Tirth Baradia, Sonu third. Then Chesta, Ruby, Anant. Consecutively third. Okay. So this will be sent to your WhatsApp group to your teachers. Coming back again, a bar magnet emerged in a heap of iron fillings and pulled out. The amount of iron fillings clinging to the dash. So I've got 9 responses till now. Ten participants are saying option A, 3 participants are saying option D. So I think all have answered. Let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is option A. Filament of a torch bulb is. Next question. Filament of torch bulb is. So 10 participants have given option C. Thirteen, 14, 15. So I think all have given. So the correct answer is option D, a thin wire. Means all have done and given the wrong answer. So that's all for today. So tell me the next Menti quiz chapter name.